Hello everyone, happy to see you here, welcome back to my channel. Today we have really interesting relaxing algebra question. We know that the sum a plus b equal to 10 and the product a times b equal to 18. We need to solve this question for a and b, so if you have your solution, your assumption, you can also write it in the comments below and then we will check our answer, so it will be really interesting. Okay, so first of all, from first equation, because we have only two equations, first one and the second one, from the first equation, let's express our b. So b equal to 10 minus a. Okay, so let's underline it. This is our first equation. So from equation first, what do we have? We have b equal to 10 minus a. b equal to 10 minus a. Really great. Right now, let's plug in this b right here at this place in the second equation. So b equal to 10 minus a from first equation, and let's plug in, instead of this b, let's plug in 10 minus a. Okay, so from second equation, what do we have? We have a times 10 minus a from here, yeah? So 10 minus a equal to 18. And this is equation with only one variable, so we can solve it. We don't have two variables right here, as right here, so we have only one variable, and it looks like this is a quadratic equation. But let's check. First of all, we have 10a, yeah, we have 10a minus a times a minus a square and equal to 18. Yeah, this is a quadratic equation, but we prefer a little bit different order because we prefer a square on the first position. So let's put this minus a square on the first position, so minus a square. Secondly, 10a on the second position, so plus 10a. And minus 18 from the right side. Okay, with the we have minus 18 equal to 0. And the final tricky move, I really like it, because we're gonna multiply both sides by minus 1. Okay, we just need to change all the signs to the opposite one, because I don't like this negative sign in the beginning. I like a classic quadratic equation, so that's why we have a square minus 10a and plus 18 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and let's solve it. Of course, this is up to you. I'm going to solve it according to a classic method of coefficients. So let's write it. So we have a equal to 1 from here, the first coefficient. Secondly, b equal to minus 10 from here, yeah, equal to minus 10, and c equal to 18. Okay, c equal to 18. Really great. And right now, let's plug in each of these elements into this spot. So we know that d equal to b square minus 4ac. First of all, I'm going to find real quick a discriminant, yeah? So b equal to, so minus 10 square, yeah, minus 10 square, minus 4 times a times 1 and times c times 18 equal to. So how can we calculate it? Minus 10 square equal to 100 with the plus sign, yeah, because we have square, and 4 times 18 equal to, how can we calculate this? 4 times 18, 72, I guess, yeah, we have 72, minus 72 equal to, so 100 minus 72 equal to 28. So this is our discriminant, and this is a great news for us, because discriminant is greater than 0, so at this part we have two real number roots. This is all great news for us. Okay, let's find it. So a first and a second. Let's find real quick our discriminant. So a first and not like discriminant, a first and a second. So we have minus b plus minus square root of discriminant and all over to 8. Let's plug in we know everything, so let's plug in it. So we have minus b minus 10 right here, we plug in, plus minus square root of 28, this is our discriminant, and all over 2 times a, so 2 times 1. Really great. Right now, minus is plus, so we can simplify it. So we have 10 plus minus square root of 28. How can we express that the best? Because this is not a table case. So we have to simplify this, yeah? So 28, this is not a table case, as I said before, so we can write it as 4 times 7, maybe the best way to express it, and all over 2, excellent, equal to 10 plus minus square root of 4 times square root of 6. So in terms of square root property, we can split it. We can write it as square root of 4 times square root of 7, sorry, yeah? We can write it like that. And all over, we divided by 2. Right now, square root of 4 equal to 2 from here, yeah? And as a result, we have 10 plus minus 2 square root of 7 and all over all over 2. And the final step, we're gonna factor these 2 from our numerator. So in parentheses we have 5 plus minus square root of 7. Yeah, and why do we do that? Because we're gonna cancel these 2 from here and from here. So this is our final answer: 5 plus minus square root of 7. This is our a first and a second. So let's group all of these together. Let's write it, for example, our a first. Let's go with the plus sign. So we have 5 plus square root of 7. This is our first root. And second root, a second, equal to 5 minus square root of 7. But this is only a first and a second. But don't forget about our question. So we have a and b. We have both variables. And just remember this expression. So b equal to 10 minus a. We really need this expression right now, because then we will find our pairs. So b equal to 10 minus a. Let's write it. For example, let's go right here. So but b equal to 10 minus a. So 10 minus a. And let's find it. So let's find real quick our b first. So b first equal to 10 minus a first, equal to 10 minus a first, and b second equal to 10 minus a second. Yeah, and right now let's solve it for a and b. First of all, let's find b first. B first equal to 10 minus a first. So 10 minus a first, 5 plus square root of 7. Yeah, and let's simplify this real quick. So b first equal to 10 minus 5 and minus square root of 7. Yeah, so from here our b first equal to 5 minus square root of 7. And we can easily see that our answers are absolutely symmetrical with each other, because we have 5 plus square root of 7, right here 5 minus square root of 7. And without any doubts, right here we have 5 minus square root of 7. This is our a. So we will have b second equal to 5 plus square root of 7. But maybe something goes wrong. So let's check it. So b second equal to 10 minus a second. A second 5 minus square root of 7. b second equal to 10 minus 5 and plus square root of 7. b second equal to 5 plus square root of 7. Yeah, exactly what I said before. So we have 2 great pairs. So let's group all of these pairs together, and then we will check our answers with according to our question from the beginning. So our answer, we have 2 pairs. First pair, 5 plus square root of 7, 5 minus square root of 7. This is our first pair. And second pair, 5 minus square root of 7 and 5 plus square root of 7. Really great. And right now we have our answer, and in the end, let's check real quick our answer. We solved it, but every time you have this type of question, my quick recommendation is to check the answer. So we have a plus b equal to 10 and ab equal to 18. This is our question from the beginning. Yeah, first of all, let's check real quick our addition. But I wanna say one really important trick, because right here we have addition, but a plus b is the same as b plus a. So we don't need to check both of these pairs, both of these parentheses. We can only check for example, this one or the second pair. We will have absolutely the same answer. So let's check the first parenthesis: 5 plus square root of 7 plus second 5 minus square root of 7, and this is equal to 10, because we cancel this square root sign. So we have only 10, and addition works absolutely perfectly. Right now let's check real quick our multiplication. So we have absolutely the same logic, because a times b is the same as b times a, so we don't need to check both of these. Let's check, for example, these parentheses. So 5 plus square root of 7 times 5 minus square root of 7. And as a result, we have this of a difference of squares. So I really hope you understand, you learned this formula at school. I'm going to write it right here. So x squared minus y squared equal to x minus y, and times x plus y. We have, for example, these are x and y. We have x plus y, x minus y. So this is a difference of squares. So we don't need to multiply parentheses by parentheses. We have 5 squared minus square root of 7 squared, difference of squares. And from here, what do we have? We have 25 minus, we're gonna cancel this square root sign and these 2. So as a result, we have only 7. And from here, we have 18 right here and right here. So as a result, the same from the beginning, the same expression as we had in the beginning. Yeah, so this is our solution, absolutely correct solution. We checked it. Addition works great, multiplication works great as well, and we have our solution. So if you still have any question, write a question in the comment section. But to be honest, this is not a hard question. I really hope that you understand my solution, and I really hope you understand these steps, this trick. This is basic question, and that's why I solve this question slowly, completely, and step by step, because a lot of students here, and my best tip is to solve this question step by step, and I do this in that way. I just want to solve this question in an easy way, step by step, with the of course step-by-step explanation, because this is the best way to learn something new. Okay, so see you in the next videos. Have a great day. Take care of yourself. Also write your response. It's extremely kind of you if you leave your response, your honest opinion about this video, about this question. Maybe you have your own solution. It's also really great to see it from a different angle, from a different perspective, because a lot of people all over the world, a lot of opinions, a lot of views, and it's also really great that we have that type of community on this channel. So thank you everyone for your time. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. See you in the next videos.